All right, in this video, we're going to go over how to create your ad account inside of your business manager. Now, first thing is first, when you're inside of Facebook, before you go to business.facebook.com, let's access everything regularly. Now, if you're already in Facebook Business Manager, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But just because of where I am currently on Facebook, I'm going to make sure that I click on the profile, just go to menu, go to pages, and I'm going to go ahead and simply open up one of these pages and that I used already, go to the Ad Center, and I'm going to access my business manager through the actual Ad Center here. And again, like I said, you don't have to do it this way, but I'm just doing it this way because I didn't have the business manager open. You can go to business.facebook.com and do the same exact process. But if you're doing it the way I'm doing, you just click on business settings over here. You'll be taken to a page that looks a little like this. Or if you just go to business.facebook.com, you'll be able to, and let me show you, all right, business.facebook.com. Just to walk you through exactly what you'll see is if you're here and you see this, what you can do is you can go to more tools and you can click on Ads Manager. It'll open up the Ads Manager for you. And if you click right over here on the top left-hand corner, you can click Business Settings, and it'll take you to exactly what I just showed you how to get to the other way. So I'm going to close out of this one. I'm going to close out of this, and I'm going to just work inside of over here. So make sure you're in the correct account. Make sure it's the business account that was created. All right. So what you're going to do is, now that we have a page in here, now that we have the pixel as well, so if we go to data sources, we go to pixels, we have a pixel in here and you can see it's green, last active 25 minutes ago. Great. So what we want to do is now we want to add in an ad account. So we're going to click on ad accounts and we're going to click add, and we're just going to click create new ad account. Now this is very important, is when you create your ad account, you have to make sure that it's the only thing that you do today. Meaning that if you create an ad account or if you created a page on Thursday, you're going to wait 24 hours before you create an ad account. But when you do create an ad account, you're going to wait 24 hours before you do anything inside of that ad account. So we're just going to call this, we'll call this PLT1. Now, again, because I'm going through this a lot faster for everybody, it might go ahead and just shoot up a message saying confirm your identity, whatever it is, but it should be fine. Let's see exactly what happens. Time zone, we'll leave it to the time zone that's attached to the profile. So if we go to the profile, make sure right over here, so Connecticut is Eastern time, all right? So we'll go back over here, time zone. We're actually going to look for New York over here. So we'll go through this and see if we can find Eastern. Let's see, America, Chicago. Let's go through this and look for where it says America, New York. Give me 1 second. There we go. America, New York. Currency, US dollar. We'll click next. All right. And this account will be used for my business. You don't want to click on anything else, and just click create. And so here we are. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the profile right here, and then you want to just click manage ad account with full control and just click assign, and there you go. Now it's going to say add payment info or close. Now this is important. This is really, really, really important. Don't add in payment info yet. What you're going to do is you're going to add in payment info in about 24 hours. Okay, so we just did something major. Are you sure you want to exit? Yep, click exit. So there we go. I don't even want you to go into the ads manager. You created it. That's all you have to do. That's it. Okay. Now, the other thing that I want to let you know is this. Under data sources, go to pixels. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click add assets, and you're going to just click on PLT1, and you're going to just click add. You're going to assign the pixel to that ad account. So now the ad account has the pixel assigned to it. So if we go ahead and we can go back to our pixels actually, and we can take a look at connected assets. This ad account is allowed to use this pixel. So when we go ahead and we go in and we access the ad account to create conversion campaigns, we'll be able to see this pixel with all the data. So that's it with creating an ad account. I don't want you to do anything else as of right now until 24 hours later. If you really want to go ahead, you can go into your page, you can click view page, and the only thing you should be doing is adding more posts to your actual pages. So adding more images, etc. That's the only thing you should be doing on the day you create your ad account. Nothing else. There should be no other activity in your account. As a matter of fact, what you should be doing is just closing out completely and come back to it in 24 hours and let it be. Don't do anything. If you decide to hop in faster and try to get things rolling even quicker, you're going to get flagged. The more room you give Facebook, and the more time you give them, the more natural it looks. Because the faster you try to go ahead and implement and actually go in and run ads, they know that a beginner that we're trying to act like a beginner here doesn't know exactly what to do. So they're not going to go in, immediately create a post, boost it for this much, etc. You get the idea. So we're going to wait 24 hours and we're going to talk about what are the next steps to do after that. So yes, it's a slow process, but we're going to build this up very slowly so it's safe. And that's how you create an ad account, and that's how you go ahead and slowly start to build enough trust in Facebook's eyes with your profile. And if you notice, I did this today, September 4th, right? And the actual business manager was created August 1st. Now, given I don't ever wait a month and 3 days, if you will. I typically go a lot faster. The only reason I went ahead and waited this long is because of the fact that I had to do other things. Like there was other profiles I was using and everything else. So this process can be done within 10 to 14 days. You don't need to wait as long as I waited. It should be done a lot faster than what I did. However, you don't want to rush it. Do not rush it. That's one thing that I'm going to emphasize. If you email us or leave a comment saying that your ad account was disabled because the same day you created it, you went and ran ads, that's something that I'm telling you right now you're not supposed to do. So just create your ad account, and then I'll see you in the very next video.